Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Hey there world, it's not your so average girl, it's Shy. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to make a Q&A vlog. Actually guys, this YouTube channel of mine was made 4 years ago. It was a pandemic and my life is so boring that time. That's why I made some funny videos here in YouTube. So now I'm decided to back and vlog just for hobbies, like day in my life lang. Wala. Kasi boring pa rin ako. It was 4 years ago, pero boring pa rin ako. So, since it was a Q&A vlog, I asked my friends randomly to provide a question to be answered. So, I picked only 15 questions to be answered. So, if you are interested, just keep watching on my video until the end para, yun lang. Wala na akong masabi dyan. Let's get started. Okay, so the first question is, what makes you think to start vlog? Ito kasi talaga yun guys. I was so long, boring lang talaga ako. And I think napag-isipan ko na what if gawa ulit ako ng mga something video to be uploaded my YouTube channel kasi sayang naman yung mga nag-subscribe sa akin before and then may ads naman na yung mga video ko. So yun, wala, boring lang talaga. Yun lang yung main reason. Tsaka sabi ko, if wala naman akong ginagawa, let's just make it hobby na lang. Next question guys is, gusto mo ba talaga ang accounting? Gosh, accounting is not my dream course guys. Seriously, it's not my dream course. Since I was in senior high school back then, gusto ko talaga yung in field of medicine na course. Then, nung nag-graduate ako ng senior high school, nag-apply ako sa Iloilo Doctors College. It was a scholarship for midwifery. So, nag-take kami ng initial interview, exam, etc. Nakapasa ako. Pero yung pa-start na yung klase, I was very shocked. I was so very shocked. Wala yung name ko dun sa finalist. Which is pa-start na yung klase. Tapos, ako lang yung hindi natawagan. Iyak ako ng iyak nun guys. I think parang kasi parang hopeless. Pero, that time kasi, bakit ako naging hopeless? Kasi lahat na ng school, naka-start na ng klase. As in, pa-start na talaga ng klase nun. So, ayun, tinawagan ko si Papa kung ano yung decision. Then, sabi nila, mag-accountancy ka na lang since ang dami namang opportunity pag accountancy yung tinapos mo. Then, noon po, kinaumagahan, pumunta ako sa Kalibo. Pumunta ako na Garcia. Tapos guys, pagpunta ko doon, full slot na yung accountancy at hindi sila nag-a-accept ng late enrollee. So I decided to go to other school. Nag-APC pa ko noon, yung Aklan Polytechnic College. Pumunta ko doon. Wala naman pala doon other course. It's just a maritime courses lang doon. Then final option ko na is yung Aklan Catholic College. So luckily, alam nyo guys, tinanggap ako doon. Tapos yung nakakatawa lang doon, yung habang nag-enroll ako, yung admin nag-a-ask sa akin, sabi niya, ano ba talaga yung course mo ma'am? Sabi ko, Edoc or accountancy na lang ma'am or bahala na kayo ma'am. Sabi niya, pinagalitan pa nga ako. Sabi niya, ano pa talaga miss? Ayan, sumulat na lang ako ng enrollment form. Linagay ko na lang doon, be it Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. So wala na talaga akong choice. Siguro, yun talaga yung will ni Lord sa akin na ilagay niya ako dun sa course na yun. Yun talaga. So, luckily, nakayanan ko naman. Favorite subject? Okay. Guys, my favorite subject is mathematics and science. Pero mas favorite ko talaga is, pinaka-favorite is science. I love reading books since then. Since back then, I love to read human anatomy, biology. Yung eagerness ko to learn some experiment, gusto ko yun. So that was my favorite subject. Next is, how you handle negative comments about you. Sounds interesting. Okay. Before talaga guys, when someone is gossiping about me, I was so very affected. Like, todo explain ako sa sarili ko na hindi ako yun, hindi ako ganun, hindi ganun, ganun, ganun. But now, how I handle that negative comments towards me, let them be, girl. Wala na ako. Kumbaga, humors don't scare me anymore. Kasi alam ko yung ginawa ko sa hindi ko ginawa. Let them be. Kasi kahit ano naman gawin natin sa buhay, yung ibang tao, yung tao may kanya-kanyang opinion, may kanya-kanyang kanya-kanyang perception in life. So hindi mo yun makokontrol ng utak nila. So yung makokontrol mo lang is how you react on that situation or in that matters or how you react. So how I handle it, let them be. Because I know myself than you. Yun lang yun. Next, highest grade in college. Okay guys, so my highest grade in college is 1. Flat 1 for my, I think it was accounting, major subject yan. So that's it. Let's move on. Pinakatanga na gawa for love. Pinakatanga na nagawa for love. I think settling with someone na hindi sure naman sa'yo. Like for a year, na hindi naman sure pala sa'yo. Yun yung feeling ko na pinakatanga. Kasi you put effort and time for that person. Pero, that's not matter anymore. You have to, kahit pinakatanga mo pang nagawa in life, kahit pinaka-worst mo pang ginawa in life, you have to learn from it and move on. Tuloy lang ang buhay. Anong age mo bala ko mag-asawa? Siguro, mag-aasawa na lang ako if I am a financially stable at saka na-enjoy ko na yung life ko. Na totally, I enjoy my life as a single na nakakapag-travel, I can buy my own stuff and needs, ganun. Doon na lang papasok yung pag-aasawa if I am already in financially stable tsaka nagawa ko na yung mga gusto ko. Next, awkward date moment you ever made. Actually guys, wala naman akong awkward date moment na encounter. Wala pa naman kasi wala lang. Wala pa naman guys. Eto, magandang usapan to. Would you rather be single or be in situationship? Oh my god, it's so... Okay, so I would be rather single na lang than to be settling in situationship. Kasi guys, if you are going to settle in a situationship kind of relationship, or I don't know kung anong pat nila tawagin yun, I think it is a big disrespect. Kasi you're settling, you're putting yourself in that situation na hindi mo naman alam kung ano kayo, kung may pupuntahan ba, or you're just wasting your time, putting your time and effort for that person na hindi mo naman alam kung ano nga kayo, di ba? So, maybe, for me, I'd rather be single than settling in situationship. Next question is, best decision you ever been made? For today, guys, after ang daming nangyari ko sa buhay ko, I think the best decision I ever made is I learned to set boundaries and cutting off people. Lately kasi, before I am too scared to cut off people. Like, ang dami kong thoughts sa mind ko na paano yung memories, paano yung pinagsamahan namin, paano na lang, masaya naman kami, ganun blah blah blah. No, it's a big no guys. If yung tao na yun hindi naman na nakaka-help sa'yo to grow as a person, it's super, you have to cut off na. Lalo na pag super toxic na, kung hindi na tama yung mga nangyayari sa inyo, you have to cut off that person. And you have to set boundaries. You have to be firm with your decision. You have to stand na kung ayaw, i-let go mo na. Like, cut off. Literally cut off. Kasi, the more you attract or the more you attach to that person, tapos negative naman siya, yung life mo parang wala. Yung life mo parang paulit-ulit lang yung cycle mo. So, it's a best decision na i-cut off yung mga tao na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo. Next, worst love advice you ever received. Grabe naman yung mga question nyo, guys. It's not giving up. So, I think the worst love advice that I ever received is that pag gusto mo daw, tsaka habang gusto ka pa ng tao, go lang. No, it's big no, guys. Kasi, dun ko din na-realize na you have to value yourself as a person talaga, guys. Don't settle sa sitwasyon o sa tao na alam mong ikakababa ng halaga mo, guys. Kasi, if at the first place, if you know your value, you don't have to be settled sa sitwasyon na gusto kasi ako nun, kaya gusto ko rin, sige lang, kahit madami ng hindi magandang bagay na nangyayari, na hindi na convenient sa inyong dalawa. It's a no, guys. Wag ganun. Kasi, for me, I really believe na in God's perfect time, meron talagang darating for us. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Don't settle. Don't put yourself, in short, don't put yourself into a situation na ikaw yung magmumukhang kawawa sa huli. Yun lang. Okay, next question is, cheesiest love song that you have been with someone. Okay, guys. Actually, dalawa siya. Yung unang love song na ano ko sa someone is yung Miracle Nights by Almost. Ayoko nang kantahin kasi baka ma-discover niyo, guys. May angelic voice. Yan. I think narinig niyo naman na yun. Hindi ko na yung problema kung hindi niyo na narinig. Okay. Char. Okay, the next one is Sometimes by Britney Spears. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. That all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right. Oh, trinato ka ba ng tama? Hindi, di ba? Move on, char. Yun, guys. Two cheesiest love songs that I have been with someone. Okay, guys. So, ang dami ko ng chika today. I think we're going to have our last question for today. So, the last question for today is... What one piece of advice you would give your younger self about life? Okay, I think the piece of advice I would give to my younger self is that you have to believe in yourself. Kasi all this time, habang tumatanda tayo, habang mas pumibigat yung responsibility, yun lang talaga yung na-realize ko na dapat nating baunin. Simula pagkabata tayo hanggang pagtanda, you have to believe in yourself. Only yourself. Sarili mo lang yung pagkakatiwalaan mo. Sarili mo lang na you only have yourself at the end. So that's why you have to believe in yourself. You have to prove na the more you have self-confidence, the more you trust, the more you believe in yourself, doon na lumalabas doon na lumalabas kung ano ka talaga, kung paano mo, how you react on the situation. Yun lang. And at the end, yourself matters than other people. Yun lang. Kaya you have to love yourself, you have to care for yourself and not for other people. Kasi wala. Sarili mo lang talaga, in short. So, that was the piece of advice I would give to my younger self. You have to believe in yourself. So guys, that's all for today's vlog. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from me and you enjoyed my